So the warm-up is on the board, so let's go ahead, and what I would like you to do is to draw this picture. Make sure you are aware of the labeling. Okay, so let's go ahead and complete the warm-up. Yes, please, I gave you an extra sheet of paper. It'll make it a little bit easier to draw on, plus there's no more space on our warm-up sheets. All right? Just close it on and just write down the numbers correctly. Remember, you can use your reference books if you need them, so, or your notes. I did that too, and I had to go ahead and redraw it again.
Because the first square, the other one wasn't a perfect square.
Oh, okay. I'm not testing whether you can sketch this. I'm testing whether you can find the area. I'm not assessing your sketching ability. I'm assessing whether you can find the area. Oh, you found the area behind it. Yeah. Ah. Okay. You figured it out. The only thing is units. What are the units? What would they be for this?
What are the units? Is it centimeters?
Oh, I didn't put any units. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's just say centimeters. Now there is. What is your? Oh, okay, you took that little shortcut. So what's the answer? Alright, so it seems like people are pretty much there. Let's get two volunteers to do it two different ways. Okay? There are two different ways to solve this, and probably more. Let's get Jessamine. Alright? And then if yours is different. So we want to see what method she uses. Alright? Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Do it. Do it.
I draw it.
Bless you, Nathan. Boy, we are so polite this class. Bless you. This is why I hate filming sometimes. It's always like, alright, so seeing where she started already, can someone do the other method? Anybody else did it a different way? Seeing where she started? Okay, go for it. You got a different method. You sure? Positive. Okay. Yes, thank you. Well, is that because there's 10? The way you round it would change that. So I think 45.4. What was your decimal there? Yeah, what was your decimal on your calculator? 8. What did you guess?
8, 9.
So it's 44.89. So what we got that we rounded to nearest 10th then?
Yeah. 8 nines. Yeah. No, 9. 9. Yeah, that's what I wrote.
Well, first the decimal you got was 44.89, correct?
Yeah, and then we round it.
Wait. Let's write that on the board first. 44.89. Okay. Okay, I'm slow. Forgive me. You know what I did? I transposed the numbers. Forgive me. All right, cool. Thank you.
Oh, sorry.
No. explain, I want two other volunteers to tell me what's going on in one of these two. Who can give me, who can explain what's going on? Someone who didn't come up here to solve this. Yes, Lucy, which one?
The one on the left. Left.
When I raised this hand, you said left. You said yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, go for it. What was the process being done here?
She found the social area of the whole block, the block square outside, like the whole.
Is it a square outside?
Yeah, it's the whole square, like the yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then she found the small triangles and subtracted the area of the small triangles from the bigger square, and then she found the what's left.
Okay. Can someone tell me what is the? Well, it's not an assumption. What do we know is true about the triangles? What do we know is true about the triangles that surround the smaller square? They're congruent. Now, if I asked you to prove it, which postulate would you use, or theorem would you use? Which one would you use? Side, which one? Side angle side. So side angle side would be the same for all of them, so they're congruent. That's why we went 4, and we got 45 centimeters squared. Who can explain what's going on with this one? Yes. Pythagoras' theorem. Says what? Well, you gotta give me more than that. You can't just say Pythagoras' theorem.
Well, because they're right triangles,
Okay, so you have right triangles.
all of them. So the
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
you have one leg squared plus the other leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's the leg, so 3 squared plus the other leg, 6 squared equals to 45, and after you do the
Okay.
square root of 45 and then find 6.7. And then yeah.
And then what?
Well then 6.7 is the
You solved it, so I know you know how to do it. Jeez, let George finish it.
6.7 is the hypotenuse. And then after if you square that is yeah. Which is the side of the square.
Yes. What don't I like about this? Because I understand in theory what's happening, but what don't I like about the way this is shown? No, it's not just that. But mathematically, what do I not like about this? Come on, guys. Delano.
There's like 2 equal signs.
No, excuse me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we take the square root of both sides, and this gives me a square root of 45. All right?
I know that x is 67.
Right. Then you would work into this step here.
Yeah.
6.7. All right?
It's like saying that 3 squared and 6 squared is equal to 6.7.
Right. And we're not saying that because 3 squared plus 6 squared equals 45. So it's just mathematically how it's presented, the notation isn't quite correct. But I know you understand the process. It's about making sure that we're doing steps on each of the lines that we got going. All right? Questions about this? Any questions about this? Yes.
I just had a question about that other method. If you find the square root of 45, isn't it just 6.7?
Yes.
Not the square.
Yes. But what does this letter mean?
Oh.
All right? Yes, Nate.
The way that I thought was like better and like more accurate to do it, instead of saying 6.7, just keep it as root 45. And then so you do like root 45 times root 45, which just gives you 45. It's easier like that instead of doing 6.7.
All right. So you remember that principle of multiplying radicals. I don't think we talked about that in this class yet, have we? All right. But in Algebra 2, you guys probably talked about it, so on and so forth. It is nice if you can keep from working with decimals as long as possible, it's great, because then you keep the accuracy of the answer. You're absolutely right, Dave. All right? But in this case, because I was talking about rounding, I gave that permission at the beginning. It's okay if they did get 6.7, but this would be a more accurate way to answer that question. And I'm glad after a little bit of coaxing, people remember our units. Don't forget, if you leave those units off, it might be a half a point.